how to backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and tap on General Management. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. From here, tap on Temporary Cloud Backup. Then tap on Backup Data. Now, if you haven't signed to your Samsung account yet, you will need to sign in. Then tap on Backup Data. Then tap on Continued. Here says Samsung Smart Switch uses these permissions. So tap on Allow. And now the phone will be searched for your data to backup. After that, select what you want to backup to the cloud. So you can choose to backup everything or some of the items. Then tap on the backup button. And that's it. It is now backing up all your data. So it doesn't matter how much data that you have. It will attempt to back up everything to the cloud. This helps to make it easy for you to, say, transfer the data from one device to another, simply using the cloud service from Samsung. And that's it. Now it said 1 minute left. And once it's finished, you can simply tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.